Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a blank page on the Google Docs website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, you will need to go here to this URL section, make sure to type Google Docs and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. If you are here, make sure to click at the first link and make sure to avoid any advertisement links. If it's an ad, make sure to go and check for other links like that. Once you do that, you will find yourself here, and from here you'll have to click at sign in to log in into your account if you already have one. But of course, if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at sign up for free to create your account. And once you did one of these two options, you'll find yourself here with this homepage or this main screen. And of course, from here you can actually create a new blank document, or just you can open some of the Google templates here, or which is totally free, or you can just go and open some of your recent documents. Of course, once you did one of these three options, for me, I'm just going to open recent documents, which is actually here empty. And as we said, we would like to delete a blank page. So for me here, I have just one page. So let me just add another page. As an example, I can add it by just keep pressing the enter button. And as you can see, now we'll have 4 pages. Of course, I can even add it with this insert, break, and page break. And as you can see, that will add another page for me. Of course, if I want to delete this page, I will have a simple solution. Of course, you will have to delete whatever in this page, and once you deleted everything in this page, just hit the backspace once, and as you can see, the page will be deleted. Of course, do that with any blank page you want to delete. Delete whatever on that page, then keep hitting the backspace, and as you can see, the pages are getting deleted. So here we are deleting the pages until we will have one page left, and as you can see, now we will have just one page, not as the beginning. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.